So you got hurt at work. You tell your employer sends you to the doctor takes x-rays. Let's say you were lifting something, you hurt your back. My back hurts all of a sudden. Go to the doctor takes x-rays. The doctor says, well, it looks like you have a congenital defect in your spine. You have scoliosis, you have something in your spine already. Therefore, you didn't have a workers' compensation injury. Everything is pre-existing. Your condition is non-industrial. What does this mean? Chances are what it means is that the insurance company is going to deny the claim completely. No lost time from work, temporary disability, medical treatment, nothing. They will claim that your entire condition is non-industrial. What do? Do you go back and plead with that doctor, try to get the doctor to change his or her mind? It's pretty much going to be a waste of the time based on my experience. There's really no point. Once the doctor has that opinion, they're generally going to stick with it. Oftentimes, based on my rather cynical approach, it is because they are an employer doctor. The employer sent you there. That doctor tends to find that type of thing fairly often, is what I've seen. So what's your option? Really, your only option in that situation for an injured worker whose claim has been denied based on a PTP, the primary treating physician saying the problem is non-industrial, is to go to a QME. You have to request a panel of 3 doctors from the state of California. The administrative director, the medical unit, will issue that list of 3 doctors. 3 doctors in your area, chosen at random, who are all QMEs. They're qualified medical examiners. Those doctors won't offer any treatment, but they will write a report addressing whether or not you had an injury at work. So this gives you the second proverbial bite at the apple to find out another doctor's opinion as to whether or not you were actually hurt at work. The nice thing with a QME is that this doctor is independent, so the employer isn't choosing this doctor for you. You get to choose this doctor. When that list of 3 doctors comes in, assuming you move quickly, you've only got 10 days. Once that list comes in, you get to choose a doctor off that list. You get to set the exam and go to that appointment. So if you got hurt at work, you went to that first doctor appointment, the doctor said your condition was non-industrial. You didn't actually sprain your wrist, you just have narrow wrist bones, God knows. You do get a second bite at the apple. You can get a QME. That doctor is independent. That doctor will write a report addressing whether or not your condition is industrial or whether the condition that you already had, maybe it is there, maybe that's leading to part of your current problem, but you still had an industrial injury. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button down below and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos.